So essentially, on a Husqvarna 562 on the carb, and this is an early one, I would guess somewhere around 2016, 2017, earlier. You got three sets of butterflies. You got the choke butterfly, you got the main butterfly, and then you got the strato butterfly. And the strato butterfly basically opens at wide open throttle, depending on how the saw's set up. Half to wide open throttle. See it actuating in there. Of course, this is your choke butterfly on the back. Right here, choke. So very quickly, to look at the screen side of the carb, from the fuel tank, if anything has bypassed the fuel filter, we'll access the screen in the carb, and it is on underneath this strato plate, strato circuit. We'll set this out of the way to the side. And this is something good to do every so often. Spray the screen out if something has bypassed the in-tank filter. So here's our screen, and it looks very good. It's very clean. Use clean fuel. Brush your tank off before you refill. Shouldn't have too much of an issue with that sort of thing. And reassemble. So your linkage goes on the outside, and on this old model of carb, it's pretty much straightforward. It's hard to mess it up. Just make sure your linkage fits on the outside. And a lot of this stuff is plastic. You know, you don't want to over torque it. Two fingers is plenty. And I'm using a small tuning driver to run this stuff together. It doesn't need to be overly tight, but snug. 2 fingers pressure. There you go. Just a good check, good overhaul. Put it all back together. Alright, so there is a locking tab right here at the end of my screwdriver that carburetor needs to plug into. It's right below your strato ports here and here. Here's your fuel line from the tank, and right here is your throttle cable. So we're going to stick all that together. It may be out of your view, but we'll do our best to capture it. Restart. So this saw will idle till it runs out of fuel, and yeah, it's my personal saw, and we're gonna put some fuel in it, fire it back up. Alright. There we go. Let's see how many it takes to fire it up. A little bit of tinkering, a little bit of common sense stuff, and it's a good product. You may need an update, you may need a flash, you may need some general maintenance. Pressure test, vacuum test, make sure your carb's right, make sure all your filters are clean.